Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about MVC, ASP product MVC, some most important tutorial based interview questions. See here, the first thing is why we need to go for MVC instead of ASP product. This is frequently asked questions in lot of interviews. When you see in case 1, all the balls are in one box. Identify all red balls is very difficult. Here you can find it in pickup to check all boxes in the box. All the balls in the box. See here you have one box. Red, green, white. 3 types of balls. Identifying the red ball is it will take time consuming and is not easy to identify. The second case, in this case we have only two boxes. Green one box, red and white another box. Identifying the colors of balls is somewhat less consuming time, but here we have three boxes: red, white, green. So identifying there is no confuse. We have very less time. We can identify. This is ASP pattern. We see three layer architecture means model, view, control. Previously we see case 1 and case 2, that is all about ASP.NET, two-layer architecture or single layer architecture kind of things. Here layers are freely identified, everything in separate boxes. Based on the layer architecture, we will easily how the controller will combination with model and how model will work with the view, that everything will be defined. Okay, let's move to second question. See, in ASP data, what are areas? Areas means in MVC application, it mimics the structure within a specific subfolder. When you see here, it will mimic the structure. This is the area. I have area building, controller, model views, and building area registration. Okay. So another, if I want to create another area, that area may be customer. So that's the way I can divide areas. So what is the purpose? The main purpose of areas are its separation of concerns ideology. So under this building folder, all folders for controllers, models and views, as well as another file called registration.cs. This file is what register the new building area of the ASP.MVC framework. So here easily we can separate the concerns ideology. The structure is intentional. It must exist in the area folder, can be named appropriately. This is the main point. It will be appropriately. So how we can override the function? Everything it will be coded. How the areas will, how override the area, how we can assign area, how the register area method inside the application start method, everything will be like the root table, bundle table. So how bundle config will register, root config will register. So inside the application start, you have to register bundle config, root config, and filter config as well. This registration is important to route the tables and bundle tables and the filter, global filters, everything that will part of the, yeah, area. See, what are the controllers in area? Here we can see this is the building controller and in touch based how the it will return the view. Areas distinguished from rest of an MVC application by their folder placement and routing. Then how we can create links to action in areas. Linking to area action. See, if you want to create links on razor view to a controller action in the area, here you can see HTML action view. So here this is the building main text. So you have to use customer.action link method to link area action. See here areas in MVC apps are used to give better structure to a large applications. Okay. They exist as modules and independent main apps with their own controllers, folders, routes and views. So one is setup we need to do is register the area of the framework both in the area registration file and our global.asx. Yes, both. Okay, where I can find this source code, can go with the technical part. Okay, the third question we can go with MVC third question. How error handling and logging will be done in ASP data MVC? See, when we talk about error, custom error and global error, two types of error we have to handle in ASP data MVC. What is the goal? Customer error which we have error code. We have to make sure on it. And global error base for unhandled exceptions. The global error logging we can do is application start. Sorry, global.asx. Customer error we can use application start element. Okay, how the error base is logging. Usually you will find solution in the combination of these methods. Yes. How we can handle error? What are the methodologies? So we have handle error attribute. That is the first one. Controller.on exception method. Application error event. Customer error elements in web config. HTTP error element in web config. These are the 6 methods to handle and logging entire errors in ASP.MVC. How these error handlers will work here, we can see HTTP handler plugged in ASP.NET pipeline. Yes, HTTP error handler which was in global.asx. Here you can see how HTTP error handler incorporate with the application. So what is the purpose of HTTP error handler? HTTP handler is responsible for producing response and output for a request. That is the main thing. Produce a response and request for the request. Response and output for a request. In IIS, how it is going to ASP.NET, how it is going to MVC, how the handler will handle the exception. The key thing to know in ASP.NET, they can handle requests with highest forward. This is determined by the registered HTTP handlers. And finally, MVC only one of essentially many registered handlers in ASP.NET pipeline. The second one is handle error attribute. The handle error attribute, how it will work? Handle error attribute, you can see how it will work. We have to inheritance with filter attributes and filters. How the scope, the error scope is limited to action method within MVC framework. Handle error, what are the errors we can handle by handle error attribute? It only handles 500 internal server errors. So that is the main purpose. See here you can see 404 internal server not found. Handle error here 404 not found or server errors will happen under the handle error attribute. How the controller at on exception method will work? The on exception method gets invoked from the controller and the exception. See here we can see the on exception how we can filter context, exception handle true, and how it will incorporate with controller.on exception. What is the main purpose? You need to distinguish your error handling between regular and Ajax request on a controller level. Yeah, it's all about controller level. And the fourth one is application error event. Application error method is more generic. It's not limited to any longer and needs to be built in global.axc. Yeah, application start, application end, application error. So application wise all are global, it will handle in global.axc. And we can handle page load event as well. How the custom errors will handle in web.config? Most of us will know. Custom error mode on and error status code must be whatever the 403, 404, bad request, everything, blah blah blah. This is the custom error handler. So, and one more thing is you have to mention custom error mode on and redirect mode response right in web.config file. See here I mention how custom error will work. Last and final thing, HTTP error in web.config. Here how web.config custom error mode. We have to mention status code, path and response mode in HTTP error. It inherited at high level. This is the use cases for how the remove, clear, error, response mode, everything. It will be how it will look at to custom error mode. Help HTTP module is another one. Sometimes we are using in on error event of the HTTP application object. And where we can find this type of this source code, you can see in this black spot. You can see. Okay, thanks everyone. You can see new topics in English in next videos.